Hello friends, welcome to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I have got for repair one parcel from Chennai. This came from Chennai. This is the parcel for repair. I think this is SONY IV300 home theater. This came from Chennai, my friend. So sorry for hiding the address because customers' privacy. So well friends, we'll just unbox this one and we'll check what exactly inside is, and we'll check it out now. So just keep watching my video, guys. Oh my, see this one is Sony. This is the Sony media friend. So keep this aside, so we'll keep too much. Oh my god. So my friend, now we'll check what's the issue in this. So friends, now I will connect it to the power. So I will put the power on now. So I will on the power. I have on the power, but see, no display. So it is completely dead. See, there is no power on thing. So power is on. So guys, so now what we'll do, we'll dismantle the top cover and we'll check. So we'll start dismantling. Oh guys, here is the one. So still there is no power. So now we'll connect the power and we'll check again. I put it on now, so we'll check if it is coming or not. See, power is coming, 241 volt AC. So power is coming, it means our wire is good. Input power is coming. Okay, so we'll put it off now first. So power is off. So friends, somebody tried to repair this one. See some soldering, I can see some soldering over here. Okay, so we'll check the fuse first. Friend, fuse is gone. See, fuse is gone. If fuse is gone means somebody tried to repair also before. And here is the bridge rectifier and the main filter capacitor. So and here is the MOSFET. So we'll check the condition of the MOSFET also. See, MOSFET also gone. So guys, what we will do, so there is a problem in the power supply. So we'll try to take it out, this power supply outside, and we'll start working on this. So we'll dismantle this. Somebody tried to repair this one because before some screws, only 3 screws, actually supposed to be 1 2 3 4 5 screws must be there, but I found only 3 screws. So somebody try to repair this one. So now we'll check this one separately. We'll check on this. See guys, fuse is gone. First of all, see, fuse is open, and this is shorting, I think. See, the main filter capacitor is also shorted because then this MOSFET is shorted, that's why. See, we don't know how after rectifying this one, how is the condition of this IC and this IC also. So we need to check it out. Bridge rectifier also. This is the bridge rectifier. So the condition of bridge rectifier is, let's check. See, it is showing some shorting. See, all bridge rectifier also showing shorting. See, you see, bridge rectifier also showing shorting. See, all 4 pins are showing shorting. You can see from the back. Very badly shorted, very badly. So now step by step we'll remove this first, then we'll remove this first to find out where is the culprit, where is the fault. Just keep watching my video guys. So friends, there is some shorting is there in the SMPS power supply. So now what we will do, anyhow this MOSFET is showing shorting. This is N channel MOSFET, and after that see, this is the MOSFET one. Okay, so fuse is blowing off. So this is the MOSFET. Somebody tried to repair also. See some solder, you can see over here. So what we will do, we'll try to remove this first. So we'll check one more time. We'll keep in the buzzer range. So this is the main N channel MOSFET. See, it is showing shorting. Okay, so what we will do, we'll take it out this first, this MOSFET. Better. So friends, we'll take it out this MOSFET first. So friends, we have already removed the MOSFET. So we'll check this now separately. See, shorting is there. Okay. See. Now we'll check the. See, it is showing still some shorting. So see, I should not get this much. This is the main IC, PWM IC, pulse width modulation IC, which drives the SMPS, switching on the SMPS supply. I think when you notice that this N channel MOSFET, it's gone, so definitely the driver also must have gone. This is the main driver IC, PWM IC, so we need to check this also. Is there some shorting or not? See, this is showing some shorting over here. It should not show this much ohms. 240 ohms. So bro, this IC also gone. So we need to remove this IC also. Bro. So we found N channel MOSFET faulty. Now we need to remove this IC also because it is showing some ohms. It should not supposed to show. So we'll take it out this also. So we have removed the IC. See, this is the main PWM IC. The number of this IC is SC6200. Yes, the number of this N-channel MOSFET is K15A60D. It means 600 volt 15 ampere. 600 volt 15 ampere is the value of this operating value of this one N-channel MOSFET, and this is the PWM IC SC6200. So now we'll see, is there any shorting, my friend? So there is not much shorting. Here it was showing some shorting. See, it is not showing now. It's 90 kilo ohms showing. Before it was showing some 240 ohms. Because of this IC shorted. So guys, now what we will do, so we replace this two part. Okay, so now it is not showing any shorting also in the MOSFET also. Okay, see, there is no any shorting. This charging, there is no any shorting. Okay, this is perfect. Okay bro, now we'll replace this two part. So I got the new original part with me. So this is the two part, one N-channel MOSFET, one is PWM IC. So now what we'll do, we'll replace this part with the faulty one. Okay guys, so just keep watching my video. So first we'll clean this area. So it is perfect now. Okay, perfect. So we'll replace this one now. Okay friends. So friends, we'll replace this now. Take it out the old one. This is the faulty one. So we'll put now new one. But before that, just turn this. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So put little compound, put little heatsink compound. Okay. Now fix. This is the G1 friend. So we have already fixed now. Okay, so this is, I will just check the new one, the good one also. See, good one is okay. You can see there is no shorting. So we'll fix this now in the socket. So first friends, we'll fix the IC. So be careful about the direction. It should be like this. Okay, it's gone. So the IC is gone now. So we fix the IC, PWM IC SC200, SC6200 is the number of the IC. So we'll just solder this one first. So perfect. So friends, now it is the n channel MOSFET, new one. This is okay, perfect. Okay guys, perfect now. Just solder all everything perfectly. So we did it. So we replace, just cut the extra lead, again solder it back little better for proper soldering. Okay, perfect. So friends, now finally we'll replace fuse also. So because the fuse also is blown off, see, fuse also blown off. So we'll take it out the fuse. Okay guys, so fuse also blown off. See, there is no continuity. So now we'll put the original new fuse. This same 6.3 ampere. The ampere of this fuse is 6.3 ampere. So we'll fix it back now. Okay guys. Okay, perfect. So we'll solder it. Very important. Okay. Just cut the extended. So guys, if the fuse perfect, so we'll now, anyhow we have already checked it's working. Now we'll apply voltage, friend. So for that we need to connect the solder wire over here. This is the main supply, so we'll connect the main supply over here first. Okay, we'll connect the power now. So this is line, this is neutral, because I don't have the connector of this because it's attached to the system. Okay guys, so we'll put it on now and we'll check. So friends, we have already will apply the input power. So anyhow we have just want to show you what we have replaced today: n-channel MOSFET, PWM IC on fuse. So these things we replace with the new one. So now I will put it on, and I should get some standby voltage 12 volt DC over here. This is negative, this is positive. I should get here, this is the one coming from here, and this is positive. So now I will put it on. If it is our repair is success, so we must get standby voltage 12 volt DC over here. This is the capacitor also. So I will put it on now. So I put it on. Okay. See, voltage is coming, and I'll just show you AC voltage. This is the AC voltage. Okay, so we'll measure DC 324 volt DC. Okay, so it means input power is coming. So this is the output. We should get some 12 volt DC standby voltage. This is the negative here, and this is the positive is coming from here. See guys, so our power supply is okay now. 12 volt DC is coming now, 11.9, almost 12 volt DC now. Okay, because it is written at the back side, 12 volt should come over here. See, so I'll just show you. See, it is written here 12 volt DC. Okay, so we must get 12 volt DC over here. It is written 12 volt DC almost. See, you can see. So anyhow, we are getting now 12 volt DC to this point. So friends, now our power supply is okay. So we'll connect it back in the system and we'll check. So friends, now we'll put this in the system now. So we'll put this in the system. We'll check it out now step by step. So connect it. So friends, we have finished. Okay, we'll put it on now. So friends, now we'll put it on. We'll check the display and everything. I'll put it on now. So, see guys, hello comes. So it means I'm also moving. See, so we'll switch it on again. So HDMI come. So guys, so our power supply's problem is solved. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon in next video.